Storm damage isn't always obvious at first. High winds, heavy rain, and hail can weaken your roof and create hidden problems that become expensive repairs later. Even small damage can allow water to enter your home, affecting ceilings, insulation, and structural materials. A professional roof inspection can help identify issues early and prevent larger repair costs down the road. Whether you're dealing with a recent storm or simply want peace of mind, trusted local roofing professionals can help. Find experienced roofing contractors and compare local service providers today.